in one of our standout projects located in Pretoria. We were approached by a client with specific requirements for their tile roof maintenance and painting. The homeowner sought both functional maintenance and an aesthetic overhaul. The task began with meticulous attention to the roof ridges, raking out any deteriorated cement in the ridges and valleys, followed by a diligent filling process of all gaps and crevices. To further ensure resilience against the elements, the roof ridge capping was fortified with the advanced StretchSeal waterproofing system. Preparations for the final touch entailed a thorough cleaning using a high-pressure washer, ensuring the removal of all foreign substances. The project was flawlessly concluded with 2 layers of the vibrant Marley M22 Terracotta paint, giving the house tile roof a fresh and appealing look. And that is how we take a tile roof from worn to wow. Contact EcoSeal today to book your free inspection.